What is muscle memory? Have you ever wondered how you can ride a bicycle after years without practice? Or how your fingers seem to know exactly where to go when typing on a keyboard? This fascinating ability is known as muscle memory, and despite the name, it has very little to do with your muscles themselves. Muscle memory is actually a form of procedural memory, a type of long-term memory stored in the brain. It allows us to perform complex physical movements automatically, without consciously thinking about every step. When you first learn a new skill, like playing the piano, lifting weights, or shooting a basketball, your brain works hard to coordinate every movement. But with repetition, those movements become smoother, faster, and more efficient. So what's really happening inside your body? Each time you repeat a movement, your brain strengthens the neural pathways responsible for that action. The motor cortex, cerebellum, and basal ganglia all play key roles in storing and refining these movement patterns. Over time, the brain requires less effort to send signals to your muscles, which is why practiced actions feel almost automatic. Interestingly, muscle memory isn't just about the brain. Research suggests that muscle cells themselves may retain a kind of memory. When you train and build muscle, your muscle fibers gain additional nuclei. Even if you stop training and lose muscle mass, many of these nuclei remain. This could explain why people who return to exercise after a long break often regain strength faster than beginners. Muscle memory is essential in sports, music, and everyday life. Athletes rely on it to react instantly under pressure. Musicians depend on it to play complex pieces without looking at their hands. Even simple tasks like walking, driving, or tying your shoes are powered by muscle memory. However, muscle memory has a downside. Practicing poor technique can reinforce bad habits that are difficult to unlearn. That's why correct form and mindful repetition are so important when learning any physical skill. In the end, muscle memory is a powerful reminder of how adaptable the human body and brain truly are. With consistent practice, patience, and proper technique, your body can learn, remember, and perform incredible feats, almost on autopilot.